Many people believe that identifying a rough diamond is something only professionals can do. In reality, there are several simple methods you can try at home to get strong initial indications. These tests are not a final guarantee, but they can help you decide whether a stone is worth professional examination. Here are 7 effective ways to identify a rough diamond at home using simple tools. 1. Scratch test diamond is the hardest natural material on Earth. Try scratching a piece of glass or quartz with a stone. If the stone scratches the surface easily and remains undamaged, it may be a diamond. If it fails to scratch or gets damaged, it is likely not a diamond. Use this test carefully, as it can damage some stones. 2. Water test, density test. Fill a glass with water and drop the stone inside. A real diamond will sink quickly to the bottom due to its high density. Fake stones may float or sink slowly. 3. Fog test, breath test. Breathe on the stone as if fogging a mirror. A real diamond disperses heat quickly, so the fog disappears almost instantly. If the fog stays for a few seconds, that's probably not a diamond. 4. Check the stone's shape. Rough diamonds usually have sharp edges and irregular shapes, natural crystal forms, often octahedral, a greasy or oily surface appearance. Perfectly round or overly smooth stones are rarely rough diamonds. 5. Light reflection test. Hold the stone under a strong light. Rough diamonds reflect light in a white or gray tone. Fake stones often show colorful rainbow reflections. Against sandpaper. Rub the stone lightly against fine sandpaper. A real diamond will not be scratched. If scratches appear, the stone is not a diamond. 7. Magnification test. Use a magnifying glass or jeweler's loupe. Real rough diamonds often have natural inclusions or imperfections. Air bubbles usually indicate glass or synthetic stones. Final note. These home tests provide preliminary identification only. If your stone passes several of these tests, the best step is to take it to a professional gemologist for confirmation using specialized tools. Tip: never rely on just one test. The more tests the stone passes, the higher the chance it could be a real rough diamond.